wondered why some apps feel like smooth journey while others feel like work? It's not just features or the visuals, it's the story. Let's talk about storytelling in UX design and why it matters way more than you think. Storytelling in UX is subtle. It doesn't mean you need to turn your app into a novel. It's about guiding users through a journey that feels natural and engaging. Think of your product as a story. Every user is a character. They show up with a goal, and your app is a tool that helped them to get there. Good UX should feel like a story unfolding. Clear next steps, rising tension, resolution. Let's break it down. One powerful technique is the Zeigarnik Effect. People don't like unfinished stuff. So if your onboarding process feels incomplete, users want to finish it. Add a progress bar, show how close they are getting the value. That's storytelling, and it works. And as an example, dialogue. Think of tooltips, pop-ups, confirmation messages. These little moments can sound cold and robotic, or they can feel like a conversation. Choose a second, make the interface talk to the user like a real person. It builds trust. Motion is another big one. Animation isn't just a decoration. A smart scroll, a subtle highlight, a smooth transition, all that gives users feedback and keep the story moving forward. Like a turn in a page in a book. You always know where you are and what's next. Then there's design itself. Color tells a story, typography tells a story. At Eleken, we redesigned the interface for Referra, a dentist referral app. We swapped trendy illustrations for a photo and a real doctor. Why? Because it made the story personal. It wasn't about being cool. It was about making dentists feel like this app was made for them. Storytelling doesn't mean adding fluff. It means making users feel something, making them feel like they belong, like they're making progress, like they matter. And the best stories are not told, they are felt. Good UX doesn't need to explain itself, it just works. That's what we aim for at Eleken. When we redesign apps, we don't just make them prettier, we make them sure the experience flows like a story from the first click to the final CTA. Whether we are fixing onboarding, redesigning dashboards, or revamping entire products, we make sure every part pulls user in, guides them along, and leaves them wanting more. So if your app feels confusing, dry, or forgettable, maybe it's not a UI problem. Maybe it's a storytelling problem. If this sparkled any ideas, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And hey, what's the best example of storytelling you've seen in a product? Share it below, let's get inspired.